Hello everyone, welcome to premiermath. These are compilation of mensuration questions I have already updated in this channel. The ratio of diameters of two spheres is given as 1:4. The largest sphere is melted and 125 identical spheres are made out of molten material. The smallest sphere is melted and 27 identical spheres are made out of the molten material. If the ratio of volume of each of these 125 identical spheres to the volume of each of these 27 identical spheres is given as 1:m. What is the value of m? Here, diameter ratio is given as 1:4, which is same as the radius ratio. That is, if radius of largest sphere is 4r, then radius of smallest sphere is r. Then if I take volume of largest sphere is 4/3 pi into r here is equal to 4r. So 4r cube, which is same as from this volume of largest sphere 125 identical spheres are made out. So volume of this largest sphere is same as volume of 125 identical spheres. So 125 into 4/3 pi into here radius of each of 125 identical spheres, I will take it as R2. So R2 cube. Now from this we can find what is R2 cube. Same way, volume of smallest sphere is equal to 4/3 pi into here R is R. So 4/3 pi R cube, which is same as from this volume of smallest sphere 27 identical spheres are made out. So volume of smallest sphere is equal to volume of 27 identical spheres, which is equal to 27 into 4/3 pi into I'll take radius of this each of this 27 identical spheres as R1. So R1 cube. Now we can find what is R1 cube. Our question is asking us to find out ratio of volume of each of 125 identical spheres to volume of each of 27 identical spheres. That is, we need to find out what is 4/3 pi into R2 cube divided by 4/3 pi into R1 cube. From this we can find it. That is, you can see 4/3 pi cancel. So we need a ratio of R2 cube divided by R1 cube, which is given in the question as 1:m. So this is equal to 1:m, which is equal to, from this R2 cube is equal to 4/3 pi cancel. So 64 R cube divided by 124. 64 R cube divided by 125. Same way, R1 cube is equal to 4/3 pi cancel. R cube by 27. So I'll write it as 27 by R cube. Now you can see R cube cancel. Our answer is 1728 by 125. If 1 by m is 1728 by 125, then m is equal to 125 by 1728. So option 3 is your answer. The sides of cuboids are in the ratio 3:4:5. Its surface area is equal to the surface area of the cube with side 6 units. What is the approximate volume of cuboid? Here, surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus LH plus BH. Same way, volume is equal to LBH. Now, surface area of cube is equal to 6a square. Now, if you look at this, here surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into, here 3 sides are in the ratio 3:4:5, which means if I take one side as 3 part, second side as 4 part, third side as 5 part, you can see 3 into 4 is 12. So 12 part square plus 4 into 5 is 20 part square plus 3 into 5 is 15 part square. So this is the surface area, which is equal to 2 into 12 plus 20 plus 15 is equal to 47. So 47 part square. 2 into 47 part square, which is equal to surface area of cube with side 6. Surface area of cube is equal to 6a square. Side is equal to 6 means this is equal to 6 cube, which is 216. Now P square is equal to 216 divided by 2 into 47, which is 94. Now P is equal to root of 216 by 94. 2 goes 47 time in 94. 2 goes 110 times in 260. Now if I approximate the value, here we can take the approximate volume. So if I approximate, 12 goes 4 times in 48. I'll consider it as 48 instead of 47. Now 12 goes 9 times in 108. So this is around 3 by 2. This is around 3 by 2. So if P is 3 by 2, here we need volume. Volume is equal to LBH. LBH is equal to 3 into 4 into 5, which is 60 PQ. 3 part into 4 part into 5 part is 3 into 4 into 5 into PQ. So 60 P cube is equal to 60 into 3 cube, 27 by 2 cube, 8. Now 4 goes 2 times in 8, 4 goes 15 times in 60. And if I approximate it as 28, 2 goes 14 times in 27. So 15 into 14 is 210. So this is approximate value. So option 1 is your answer. A hemispherical depression of diameter 4 cm is cut out from each face of a cubical block of side 10 cm. Find the surface area of remaining solid in centimeter square. Here, this cuboid's side length is equal to 10 cm. And question says hemispherical depression of diameter 4 cm. So this circle diameter is equal to 4 cm. And this hemispherical depression of diameter 4 cm is removed from each of these faces. Now cuboid has 6 faces. Now this hemispherical depression is removed from each of the 6 faces of this cuboid. Now we have to find the remaining surface area of this cuboid, and to find that remaining surface area, find the remaining surface area of one face. Then multiply it with 6. That is your answer. Here, take the top face. Take the top face. Now, when you remove this hemispherical depression, you will create an additional surface area, additional curved surface area. That is, if you look at this images, you will understand. Now, this is the bowl-shaped structure. Now, this bowl-shaped structure is hemispherical depression. The solid structure is removing from the top face. When you remove this solid structure, you will create a curved surface area. You create an additional curved surface area. Is also part of this remaining surface area. Now this curved surface area is nothing but 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square means surface area of hemisphere. Apart from this, if you look at this 4 corners, that is, if you look at this top face, this 4 corners is also part of this remaining surface area. This 4 corners plus this depression, curved surface area, is the remaining surface area of this top face. So, 6 such faces are there. Now, this remaining surface area of one face is equal to, look at the top face, this is square. So, square means area of the square is equal to a square. But we have to find area of this 4 corners. To find that, subtract the area of this circle. That is a square minus pi r square. A square minus pi r square is the area of 4 corners in top face. Now, add this surface area of hemisphere, that is formed by hemispherical depression, which is equal to 2 pi r square. Now, this is the surface area of top face. 2 pi r square minus pi r square is pi r square. So, what is remaining is a square plus pi r square. Now, this is for one face. So, total there are 6 faces. So, remaining surface area of 6 faces is the remaining surface area of this whole cuboid, which is equal to 6 into a square plus 6 into pi r square, which is equal to a square means a is equal to 10 centimeter. So, 6 into 10 square plus 6 into pi is equal to 22 by 7 into r is equal to, here diameter is equal to 4 centimeter means r is equal to 2, that is 2 square. Now, you can see this is equal to 6 into 10 square is 600 plus 6 into 4 is 24. 24 into 22 divided by 7, which is equal to 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 2 plus 2 into 2, that is 8 plus 4 is 12. Remaining 1. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So 528 divided by 7 plus 600, which is equal to 7 goes 7 times in 52, remaining 3. So 7 goes 5 times in 35, remaining 3. Which means here 600 plus 75. In this option you can see there is 675 in option 3. So option 3 is your answer. This is equal to 675.3 by 7. From the body of a solid cube of width 7 cm, a solid sphere is removed. The volume of remaining solid was found to be 163 into 1 by 3 cm cube. What is the diameter of this sphere? So this is diameter, not radius. Now this is cube and a circle is removed from it. Now remaining part of the volume of this cube is given. That is this blue part. Now this remaining part is equal to 163 into 1 by 3 centimeter cube. So 163 into 1 by 3 centimeter cube means remaining volume is equal to volume of cube is 7 cube minus volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now 4 by 3 pi r cube means 22 by 7 into r cube is equal to 7 cube is equal to 343 minus 163 into 1 by 3. 163 into 1 by 3. Now, this means that this is 343 minus 163 minus 1 by 3. Let us take the difference between 343 and 163. 33 minus 0. 34 minus 16 is 18. So, 180 minus 1 by 3. 3 into 18 is 54. 540 minus 1 is 539 by 3. Now, 11 goes 2 times in 22. 11 goes 4 times in 53. Remaining 9. So, 11 goes 9 times in 99. 3 and 3 cancel. Now, r cube is equal to 49 into 7 divided by 4 into 2, 8. So, r is equal to cube root of 49 into 7 by 8. 49 is 7 square. So, 7 cube. Cube root of 7 cube is equal to 7. Cube root of 8 is equal to 2. Now, 7 by 2 is r means diameter is equal to 7. So, option 2 is your answer. The width of path around a square field is equal to 4.5 meter and its area is 105.75 meter square. Find the cost of fencing the path at the rate of rupees 100 per meter. Here, this is the ground. Consider ground width as a meter. Now, this is the path surrounding the ground and path width is equal to 4.5 meter. This is also 4.5 meter. Now, side length of this largest square is equal to a plus 4.5 plus 4.5, that is a plus 9. And here area of path is given, that is largest square minus smallest square is area of path, which is largest square area is equal to a plus 90 whole square minus small square area is a square, which is 105.75 path area. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. That is a plus 9 is a and a is b. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. That is, here a plus b means a plus 9 plus a, that is 2a plus 9. And a minus b means a plus 9 minus a, that is 9, which is equal to 105.75. Here 9 goes 1 time in 10, 9 goes 1 time in 15, remaining 67. 9 goes 7 time in 63, remaining 45, 9 goes 5 times in 45. So 11.75 is equal to 2a plus 9 means 2a is equal to 11.75 minus 9, that is 2.75. If 2a is 2.75, here we need cost of fencing. To find that, we need perimeter of this ground. Perimeter is equal to 4a, which is equal to 2 into 2a, that is 2 into 2.75, which is equal to 2 plus 2, 4, 7.5 plus 7.5 is equal to 1.5, that is 5.5. So here perimeter is 5.5 means here this is the part we have to fence. So cost of fencing is 100 per meter. So total 5.5 meter. So cost of fencing is equal to 5.5 into 100, which is equal to 550. So option 1 is your answer. A 35 centimeter high bucket in the form of a frost drum is full of water. Radius of lower and upper ends are 12 centimeter and 18 centimeter respectively. If water from the bucket is poured into a cylindrical drum whose base radius is 20 centimeter, what will be the height of water in the drum? Here when you pour water from this frost drum to this cylindrical drum, volume in both the cases are equal. That is, just equate volume of water in the frost drum to volume of water in the cylindrical drum. Now, when you equate these volumes, you will get height of water in the drum. That is, this is frost drum. Now, upper end radius is equal to 18 centimeter, lower end radius is equal to 12 centimeter, and here height of water in the frost drum is same as height of frost drum because frost drum is full of water. So, height is equal to 35 centimeter. Now, here cylinder means here cylinder base radius is equal to 20 centimeter and height of water we can find it from equating the volumes. That is, here when you pour this water from frost drum to the cylinder, volume of water is equal. So, here volume of water in frost drum means volume of frost drum, which is equal to pi by 3 h into capital R square plus small r square plus capital R into small r, which is equal to volume of water in this cylindrical drum. So, volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Here h is equal to height of water. Now, just calculate. Here pi and pi cancel. Remaining h is equal to 35. So, 35 by 3 into r square plus r means 18 square plus 12 square plus 18 into 12, which is equal to, here r in case of cylinder is equal to 20 square. So, r square is 20 square into height of water. Now, 18 square is 324, 12 square is 144, 18 into 12 means 8 into 2 is 16, remaining 1, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, remaining 1, 1 into 1 plus 1 is 2. So, sum is equal to 8 plus 16, 14, remaining 1, 4 plus 4, 8, 3 plus 1 plus 2 is 6. So, 684 is the sum here, which is equal to 35 by 3 into 684 is equal to 20 square is 400 into height of water. Now, height of water is equal to, here 3 goes, 2 times in 6, 2 times in 8, 8 times in 24. Now, 4 goes 5 times in 22, remaining 28. 4 goes 7 times in 28. Now, here if I cancel with 5, 5 goes 7 times in 35 and 5 goes 20 times in 100. Now, this is equal to 57 into 7. 50 into 7 is 350, 7 into 7, 49. So, 399. This side is 399. Now, height of water is equal to 399 by 20. This is around 400 by 20. So, it is around 20. Option 3 is used. The area of cardboard needed to make a closed box of size 20 cm into 10 cm into 8 cm will be. Here, if you take these three sides as LBH, then your answer is 2 times length into breadth, breadth into height and length into height. That is 20 into 10, 200 plus 10 into 8, 80 plus 20 into 8, 160. 160 plus 80, 240, 240 plus 200, 440. So, 440 into 2 is equal to 880. Option 1 is your answer. That is, here, this closed box has 6 sides. That is, top, bottom, left, right and front and back. here if I take this as L, then this is height. Then there is a third side, that is breadth. Now if you consider this top portion, which is equal to length into breadth, that is length into breadth is 200 here. And if you consider this left portion, which is equal to height into breadth is 10 into 8, 80. And if you consider the front portion means length into height. Length into height is equal to 20 into 8, 160. Now we have three such opposite parts. So 200 plus 80 plus 160 into 2. 880 is your answer. What is the difference in volume of a sphere of radius 7 cm and that of a cone of radius 7 cm and height 10 cm? Here volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. R cube is equal to 7 cube minus volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. R square is equal to 7 square and height is equal to 10. Now here I'll take 1 by 3 pi into 7 square as common. 1 by 3 pi is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 square as common. Then remaining term in first term is equal to 7 into 4, 28. Remaining in second term is equal to 10. So 28 minus 10 is equal to 18. And 3 goes 6 times in 18. 7 goes 1 time in 49. Remaining 22 into 7 into 6 is 42. So 22 into 42 is equal to 2 into 2 4. 2 into 4 8. 8 plus 4 12. Remaining 1. 2 into 4 8 plus 1 9. So 924. Option 3 is your answer. Difference is 924. The sides of a triangular field are 360 meter, 480 meter and 600 meter. Its area is equal to the area of square field. What is the side of the square field? Here if you take the ratio, 120 goes 3 times in 360, 120 goes 4 times in 480, 120 goes 5 times in 600. So this is 3:4:5 is a triplet. That is 3, 4, 5 side are a triplet, which means here this 360, 480 and 600 are triplets. That is, this is a right angle triangular field. So base is equal to 360, height is equal to 480 and hypotenuse is equal to 600 because 360 square plus 480 square is equal to 600 square. Now here area of the field is equal to area of square field. That is, square area is equal to a square, which is equal to area of triangle, which is half base. Now a is equal to root of, here 2 goes 240 times in 480. So this is a is equal to root of 360 into 240. Here this is 360 into 10 is 3600. So 60 square is equal to 3600. So this is 60. Root 3600 is 60. Remaining 24. 6 into 4 is 24. So root 4 is equal to 2. Remaining root 6. So this is 120 root 6. Option 1 is your answer. The inner circumference of a circular path enclosed between two concentric circles is 264 meter. The uniform width of the circular path is 3 meter. What is the area of the path? Here, two concentric circles and width of the circular path is 3 meter. Now, inner circumference means circumference of this inner circle is given, which is equal to 264 meter. That is 2 pi r is 264 meter. 2 into pi is equal to 22 by 7 into r is equal to 264. Now 22 goes 1 time in 26, 2 times in 44 and 2 goes 6 times in 12. Now you can see r is equal to 7 into 6, 42 meter. If small r, that is this radius of the small circle is 42, then radius of this large circle is 42 plus 3, 45. which means area of this path. Area of this path is equal to area of larger circle, that is pi into capital R square, minus area of the smaller circle, that is pi into small r square. Small r square is equal to 42 square. So which is equal to pi into 45 square minus 42 square. Here this is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So 22 by 7 into a plus b is 45 plus 42, which is 87. A minus b is equal to 45 minus 42, which is 3. So here, if I consider this 22 as 21, if I approximate it, 7 goes 3 times in 22. So 3 into 3, 9. 9 into, if I consider this as 90, 9 into 90, 810. So this is around 810. Now, if you look at the option, you can see option 3 is your answer, because here options are varying. That's why I take this approximation. Options are varying. One is 6, one is 7, one start with 8, one start with 9. So I can approximate it. That is nearly 810. So option 3 is your answer.
The curved surface area of right circular cylinder is 616 cm square and its area of its base is 38.5 cm square. What is the volume of the cylinder? Here, area of its base is equal to pi r square, which is equal to 38.5, means r square is equal to 38.5 by pi. So this will become 7 by 22. 11 goes 2 times in 22, 11 goes 3 times in 33, 11 goes 5 times in 55. Now 3.5 into 3.5 means r is equal to 3.5, that is 7 by 2. And here curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into h. So here 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into h is equal to 616 cm square. Now 7 cancel, 2 and 2 cancel, 11 goes 2 times in 22, 11 goes 5 times in 55, 11 goes 6 times in 66. Now 2 goes 28 times in 56, means h is equal to 28. Then we need volume. So here volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So volume is equal to 22 by 7 into r square is 49 by 4 into h is equal to 28. Now 7 into 4 is 28. So 28 cancel. 22 into 49. 9 into 2, 18. Remaining 1. Here 8 plus 18 is equal to 26. 26 plus 1 is 27. So 78 at the end. Option 4 is your answer. Volume is equal to 1078.
How many small solid spheres, each of 5 mm radius, can be made out of a metallic solid cone whose base has radius 21 cm and height 30 cm? We can make n number of solid spheres out of this volume of metallic solid cone. That is, just equate the volume of solid sphere and cone to find the value of n. Here, volume of solid sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now equate these. That is, from the volume of cone, that is from 1 by 3 pi r square h, we can make n number of 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is n number of solid spheres. Now, here 5 mm means 0.5 centimeter. Now all values are in centimeter. Just put the values here. Here n is equal to 1 by 3 pi and 1 by 3 pi cancel. And here r cube for solid sphere is equal to 0.5 cube. And r square h for cone is equal to r is equal to 21. So 21 square into h is equal to 30. Now n is equal to 21 square is equal to 441 remaining into 30 divided by 0.5 cube. 5 cube is equal to 125. So 0.5 cube is equal to 0.125 into 4. Now 125 into 4 is equal to 500. So 0.125 into 400 is equal to 0.5. Now this 0.5 goes
60 times in 30. 5 goes 6 times in 30. So 0.5 goes 60 times in 30. Now 441 into 60 is your answer. 6 into 1 is 6. 6 into 4 is 24. 6 into 4, 24 plus 2, 26. So 26,460. Option 2 is your answer.
A cylindrical vessel of diameter 32 cm is partially filled with water. A solid metallic sphere of radius 12 cm is dropped into it. What will be the increase in the level of water in the vessel? Whenever you drop an object into water, the rise in water level is equal to the volume of object. Here volume of rise is equal to volume of sphere. Now here volume of rise means this is cylindrical vessel. Now this is filled with water and you are dropping a sphere into it. Now the rise in water level is equal to the volume of this sphere. Now consider this as h height, and here volume of rise is equal to pi r square h. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So pi into, here radius is equal to, diameter is 32, so radius is equal to 16 square into h is equal to h, height of rise. Now volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. R is equal to 12. So 12 cube, I will write it as 12 into 12 square. I can cancel it. Here 3 goes 4 times in 12 and 4 into 4 is 16. So 4 into 4 16, cancel here. Now height is equal to 12 square divided by 16. 4 goes 4 times in 16, 4 goes 3 times in 12, 4 goes 3 times in 12. So 9 is height. Option 1 is your answer. So height of rise is equal to 9. Solid cube of side 8 cm is dropped into a rectangular container of length 16 cm, breadth 8 cm and height 15 cm, which is partly filled with water. If the cube is completely submerged, then the rise of water level is. Here rise of water level is the volume of cube, that is A cube. Here this is the rectangular container and this is partly filled with water. Now a cube is dropped into it and it is submerged, which means this volume of this cube is equal to the rise of water level, that is volume of the rise. Now this volume, this is the rise and this is height h, and this volume of rise is equal to volume of cube, which means here cube volume is equal to A cube, which is 8 cube, which is equal to volume of rise means volume of this rectangular portion, which is equal to length of rectangular is equal to 16, breadth is equal to 8, and here we need height h in which this water level rise. Now here 16 I can write it as 8 into 2. Now 8 square and 8 square cancel, remaining is 8 here. 2 goes 4 times in 8. So h is equal to 4. Option 4 is your.
If the volume of sphere is 4851, then what is its diameter? Volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is equal to 4851. Now write 4 by 3 pi in RHS. So this will become 3 by 4 into 1 by pi is 7 by 22. Now 11 goes 2 times in 22, 11 goes 4 times in 44, remaining 4, 11 goes 4 times in 45, remaining 1, 11 goes 1 time in 11. Now 441 means 21 square. So this is 21 square into 21 divided by 8. Then R is equal to, here R cube is 21 cube by 8 means R is equal to 21 by 2. 2 cube is equal to 8, which means diameter is equal to 21. So option 4 is your answer.
What will be the total cost in rupees of polishing curved surface of a wooden cylinder at rate of 50 rupees per meter square if its diameter is 70 cm and height is 6 meter? Here, curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into h. This is the curved surface this is equal to 2 pi r, circumference into height is equal to h. So curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi rh. Now total cost is equal to, rate is 50 rupees per meter square. So 50 into 2 pi rh. So here height is equal to 6 meter and diameter is equal to 70 centimeter. Now 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is equal to 70 by 2, that is 35 centimeter. This is centimeter. So 35 by 100 is equal to 0.35 meter. 0.35 meter into height is equal to 6 meter. Now 7 goes 5 times in 35. So 7 goes 0.05 times in 0.35. 22 into 0.05 is, 22 into 5 is 110. So 22 into 0.05 is 1.1. So 1.1 into 6 is equal to 6.6. 6.6 into 50 into 2 is 100. So 100 into 6.6 is 660. So option 3 is your answer. Trapezium ABCD, AB parallel to CD and AB equal to 2CD. Its diagonals intersect at O. If the area of triangle AOB equal to 84 cm square, then area of triangle COD is equal to. Diagonals of trapezium ABCD intersect at O. When two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, alternate angles are same. Here AB and CD are parallel lines, and if you consider its diagonals as transversal, alternate angles are same, which means here these two angles are alternate angles and are same. Same way, these two angles are alternate angles and are same, which means these two opposite angles are also same. That means here triangle COD and triangle AOB are similar triangles. For similar triangles, ratio of area of similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of its corresponding side. Here corresponding side of triangle COD is CD and corresponding side of triangle AOB is AB. Now here there is a relation, that is AB equal to 2CD. That is AB equal to 2 times the length of CD. If I take CD as 1, which means AB is equal to 2. This is the ratio of side. Now take the ratio of area. Area of COD divided by area of AOB is equal to, take the corresponding length. Here COD corresponding side is, ratio is 1 and AOB corresponding side ratio 2. So 1 by 2 is the ratio. Now take the square of it. So this is the relation, that is ratio of area of similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of corresponding sides. Now area of triangle COD is equal to 1 by 4 of area of triangle AOB. Here area is 84. Area of triangle AOB is 84. So 1 by 4th of 84 is equal to 21 centimeter square. So option D is your answer. This is the rule. Quadrilateral ABCD is circumscribed about a circle. If the length of AB, BC, CD are 7 cm, 8.5 cm and 9.2 cm respectively, then the length in centimeter of DA is. Here consider ABCD as a quadrilateral, and then this ABCD is circumscribed about the circle. Now we already know tangents drawn from an external point are always equal. That is, if you consider A as an external point, then this tangent and this tangent are equal. That is, this one and this one are equal. Then if you consider B as an external point, this length and this length are equal. That is, this tangent and this tangent are equal. And if you consider D as an external point, then this length and this length equal. That is, this tangent and this tangent are equal. And if you consider C as an external point, this length and this length equal. That is, this tangent and this tangent are equal. Which means, here if you add AB and DC together, that is AB plus CD equal to, here DA plus DC. DA plus DC. Because if you consider this touching points as, consider this touching point in the circle as PQ, R and S. Now AP equal to AS. Same way PB equal to BQ and DS equal to DR and CQ is equal to CR. Which means if you add this AB and DC together, you are adding AD and BC together. So from the question, here AB and CD length are 7 and 9.2. So 7 plus 9.2 is equal to, BC length is 8.5. 8.5 plus DA. Now 9.2 minus 8.5 is equal to 0.7, which means DA is equal to 7 plus 0.7, 7.7. So option D is your answer. That is, tangents drawn from an external point are always equal. The ratio of number of sides of two regular polygons is 1:2. If each interior angle of the first polygon is 120 degree, then the measure of each interior angle of the second polygon is. Here, number of sides of two polygons are in the ratio 1:2 and interior angle of first polygon is 120 degree. Interior angle of first polygon is 120 degree means exterior angle of first polygon is 180 minus 120, which is equal to 60 degree. If exterior angle is 60 degree, you already know total exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. In that case, here each of the exterior angle in the first polygon is 60 degree means number of sides of first polygon is total exterior angle divided by angle of each exterior. Here 360 by 60 is equal to 6. So number of sides of first polygon is 6. If number of sides of first polygon is 6, that is one part is 6, then two part is 12. That is number of sides of second polygon is 12. If number of sides of second polygon is 12 means exterior angle of second polygon is equal to 360 by 12, which is equal to 30 degree. That is total exterior angle divided by number of sides, which is equal to 30 degree. Which means interior angle of second polygon is 180 minus exterior angle 30, which is equal to 150 degree. Because interior angle plus exterior angle is 180. So here option C is your answer. If each side of square is increased by 4 cm, then its area is increased by 60 cm square. The side of the square is. Initial side of the square is A. Then each side of square increased by 4 cm means new side is A plus 4 cm. Now new area is A plus 4 the whole square, which is equal to A square plus 8A plus 16. Now you can see A square is the old area and the increased area is 60 centimeter. That is 8A plus 16 is 60 centimeter. Now difference between 60 and 16 is 44, which means 8A is equal to 44. Then A is equal to 8 goes 5 times in 40. So 5.5 centimeter is side of the square. Here none of this, option D is your answer.